Hello, good morning. Another house vlog here at J Prime Prestige Realty Corporation. Today I will be showing you what 7.3 million worth of single attached could take you here in Lipa City. Please welcome Mira Single Attached. Complete finish with a floor area of 106 square meters. So yan, nakita na guys, napakaraming windows. Meron na rin siyang balcony. Also upon turnover, meron na siyang inclusive of step pads and a anti-slip tiles for the carport. So hindi na kailangan isipin ng additional expenses for renovation para pasokin natin yung loob ng bahay. So upon entering, bubungan sa atin yung napakaluwag na living area with a sliding door to access our mini garden, porch area, or access to the service area. Napakaganda guys. So from here sa living area, you can see the space provided allotted para sa dining tables. Also, the kitchen area. So upon turnover guys, inclusive tayo na itong countertop, under cabinets, and overhead cabinets. So this one is for the presentation purposes. For your discretion, if gusto nyo magpalagay ng additional divider here, pwede nyo naman siya i-consider for the renovation. So here, in the first floor, we have the toilet and bath, composed of lavatory, toilet, and overhead shower. Hindi lang kasama dito yung shower divider and this mirror. So kayo na guys magpapalagay nun. However, this unit is a complete finish. Meron na siyang tiles, room partition, meron na rin siyang pre-painted walls. So if in case na gusto nyo i-change, you can do so. So here is our convertible room sa first floor. You can do it as a maid's room, stock room, laundry area, whatsoever. So here, you can see, dito rin nila nilagay yung control system ng solar panels. Included na po siya sa total contract price. Grid type, wala lang siyang battery pack na you can use it without yung sun talaga. So, since like that, energy saver siya kapag may araw talaga. No? From here, meron tayong access sa balcony or sa dirty kitchen. This is your service area. So this is your property line. Then, you will have the access at the back of your garage. Napakaganda. So let me show you the second floor, the room portions. Sarado natin yung service door. Let's go to the second floor. So as you can see guys, meron tayong windows, nag-add ng brightness sa bahay and high ceiling yung staircase natin. So napakaluwag and maliwalas siya. Here is our common toilet. For the second floor. Then let me show you the secondary rooms. Our secondary rooms here, and our secondary rooms has access to its own terrace balcony. So you can see the beautiful view of Mount Malarayan here at Bermuda Lipa. Let me show you the other rooms. This is the third room. So kahit third room siya guys, napakaluwag niya pa rin talaga. And lastly, I will be showing you guys the master's bedroom. Alam kong hinihintay ng lahat. Ang napakaluwag na master's bed. So if you want this unit guys, just message our page and our admin coordinator will message you a bit shortly. And for only 25,000, we can start your process of availing this unit here at Bermuda Lipa. See you mga kabahay.